Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be working on this particular wall to share with you all for now. And I'm trying to make a wine cellar, or should I say a mini wine cellar, using some Dollar Tree items. Now, all I'm going to be doing on this wall is giving it 3 coats of paint and then using faux bricks to add to the design before I then go ahead to make the mini wine cellar. I'll be putting the wine cellar up in a small space here, so I cut 1 by 2 and attached little pieces that I cut to size, and then I cut pegboard to smaller sizes and then attach them to the pieces of wood that I have on the wall. I'll be using pegboard accessories to mount the wine to the wall. This one is meant for drill guns, and this is going to be perfect to hold the wine bottles. I don't think the open pegboard is working for me. It would be better to either paint or cover the pegboard. So I decided to just cover it with contact paper, and I'll be using this contact paper to cover up the pegboard to make it look a little bit presentable, or at least better than leaving it bare. The holes are still visible, and that really disturbed me a lot, but then others saw it and said it looked like bubbles. And they also said it's like water, and I felt okay, since it's not really disturbing other people the way it's really bugging my eyes. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is for now to see if I like it in the end. Now when I was done, I added the wine bottles. I'm gonna go ahead and use Dollar Tree napkin holders for the cups, the wine cups, and I used the smallest size of the Dollar Tree wine cups for the napkin holders because the base for a regular wine cup will not fit into the napkin holder. So I'm gonna come up with another design for other wine cups that have bigger base. Now the front of the napkin holder can be covered instead of leaving it open and bare like that. And you can use bling wrap. And I did use bling wrap to cover up the front of the napkin holder in this particular video that I have here, and the link for this video is going to be down in the description box below. I used bling wrap on this side of the napkin holder like this, and I used a strong adhesive to attach the bling wrap to it. Now I'll be doing the same thing for the napkin holders that will be holding up the wine cups. Remember that this particular design can only work with the smallest size of wine cups. So here's a design that you can use for a regular sized based wine cup. I took a Dollar Tree frame, and then all I did was remove the parts that I don't need from the frame, and then I'll be using the pegboard again, but this time around I spray painted the pegboard silver. And then after that, I'm going to be attaching the frame to the pegboard. And then I still didn't really like the way I could still see the pegboard, so I used bling wrap on it. Now, after I had the bling wrap attached to the pegboard, it wasn't as bad as just leaving it bare. And then after that, I used pegboard accessories, but this time around, a different pegboard accessory that will be able to accommodate different wine cup sizes. The middle part here can actually hold 1 wine bottle, and I'm just going to be putting the accessory here, and these are the accessories that I got, and you can get these from either Lowe's or Home Depot. This is how it looks mounted on the wall, and it is such a quick and easy way to actually have a mini wine cellar on your wall. Because of the space on the wall, I made mine this size. Now you can make it as large as you like, depending on the size of the wall and the pegboard that you have available to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button